to take the last shape and we're going to do a much more dramatic version just to show you the variations that can be done using, again, the same technique. So let's go just a little bit less. That's better. Now I can't quite see through it. Yeah, I like that better. I'm going to come through here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut across like so. I'm going to encourage you, try smaller sections, not as much as you want to see the effect. I know what I'm looking for, so I'm going for it. My preference for clipper cutting is always to use anywhere between a 3/0 to a 5/0 blade. In other words, as smooth as possible. I prefer to do that. Now that can bog down the hair if you need to use something that has more coarseness to it so it can cut thicker hair. You can always start that way. I just use smaller sections. See through, I gotta be able to see where this is coming from. So, coming through here. Yep, there we go. Next section is coming through here. And I'm debating about how thick I want this. So I'm gonna come on through here and go down, take a look. That could be thicker. A little thicker. Yeah, let's do that. What I did was I came in. Brought it back. I'm standing about center of the head. In the back. This direction. Now I have a nice angled line. If I over direct it up so it's softer and I cut it to there and I release it, now that line is going this way instead of this way or this way. It's going this way, and that's what I want. A nice blended line. Different from the other side. Gotta love that confusing feeling of something that is asymmetrical.